What's up everybody, Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to show you how to combine columns in Excel. We're going to do it fast and easy, so let's get to it. There's three ways we can go. They're all super easy. First, concat. All you do is hit equals, concat, text 1, there it is, comma, text 2, there that is. Close the parentheses, hit enter, and there you go. We'll go over how to do it with a space in just a second. Right now we're just doing it quickly here. Equals. Here we're just going to use the ampersand, the and sign. You click and, so shift and 7. Click that, enter, there it is. And text join is the same thing. It's the updated version of this formula concat, or formula concat. Equals text join. So what do we want in between them? We don't even have to worry about that right now. Ignore empty cells, sure, comma. And all you do here is click, comma, click. Close that. Voila. Now adding the space, super easy. Equals, concat, the same functions. You can hit the tab button to select it, or you can double click on it. So equals concat. I hit tab before, or you can just use the mouse and double click. Click what you want, comma, quotation marks, space, quotation marks. That's how we tell Excel to insert a space, comma. Second one, close it up, enter. This one, it's very similar. Click what you want, quotation marks, or you do actually, and quotation marks, space, quotation marks. Make an and sandwich. And then the second one, there it is. Text join. Do that, double click. Delimiter. What do we want in between them? That's the space. So here is where we'll put our quotation marks, space, quotation marks, comma. Then we'll do this. Sure, true, ignore empty cells. It doesn't matter. You can just hit a comma on that just like we did before. Text 1, comma, text 2, close it up, and bang, there you go. You've just combined columns in Excel, and it's less than 2.5 minutes. All right. Hit that subscribe button if you like this. Thanks. See you next time.